To avoid fees with Klarna Credit Check, it is essential to understand how Klarna works and the terms of your payment plan. Klarna is a buy now pay later service that allows you to pay for purchases in installments. Firstly, always review the terms of your payment plan before making a purchase. Check the repayment schedule, interest rates, and any potential fees associated with late payments or missed installments. Secondly, make sure to pay your installments on time. Late payments can result in additional fees and negatively impact your credit score. Set up reminders or automate your payments to ensure you never miss a payment. Thirdly, avoid using Klarna for purchases that you cannot afford to pay back. Only use Klarna for essential purchases and make sure you have a stable income to cover the repayments. Fourthly, be aware of the interest rates and fees associated with your Klarna account. If you are unable to pay the full amount on time, consider paying off the balance as soon as possible to avoid accumulating interest. Lastly, monitor your account regularly to catch any errors or discrepancies. Contact Klarna customer support immediately if you notice any issues with your account. By following these steps, you can avoid fees with Klarna Credit Check and use the service effectively. Remember to always read the fine print, pay your installments on time, and only use Klarna for affordable purchases. This will help you avoid any potential pitfalls and make the most out of the service. Additionally, it is crucial to note that Klarna may perform a soft credit check when you apply for their services, which does not affect your credit score. However, if you miss payments or default on your account, Klarna may report this to the credit bureaus, which can negatively impact your credit score. Overall, using Klarna responsibly and being aware of the terms and conditions can help you avoid fees and make the most out of the service. By understanding how Klarna works and following the best practices outlined in this guide, you can enjoy the benefits of buy now pay later while maintaining a healthy financial situation.